Well, it's a nice day here in Kansas City. It's about 58 degrees, but the wind is pretty high out there. It's about 22 miles an hour and it's kind of gusty. So, if I was going fishing, that wouldn't be a good thing. But if I'm going to do a mic test, then this is an ideal situation. So, I'm going to go outside and I'm going to test a couple of mics and see what kind of wind noise each one has. So, I'd like you to go with me. So, let's head outside and have a test. Alright, we're going to do a test on a couple of different microphones today. We've got a great day for it to check the wind noise. So stick around, I'll be right back. Alright, this is the first test. It's about 58 degrees out here in Kansas City today. We've got about a 20 wind. And this audio is recorded on the onboard mic from the Canon 70D. To another microphone and we'll see how much, if any, difference there is. Alrighty, this is the exact same setup. It's still 58 degrees, it's still about a 22 mile an hour wind, but the audio that you're hearing now is coming through the Rode Video Micro, and it has a little dead kitten on it, so I'm going to find out if there's any difference, and if so, how much between those two mics. So I'll be back in just a moment. And there you have it. That was our test today, and I believe the result was pretty obvious. Apparently the onboard mic on the Canon 70D was not designed for windy situations. However, the micro of the Rode Video Micro at $59.95 performed like a champ, in my opinion. I would love to hear what you thought about it, so scroll down and leave a comment. Tell us what you think. And for $59.95, I don't think you can get a much better microphone for normal situations and for windy days. I was very impressed. So if you like videos like that, or if you like videos like this, click that little subscribe button down there. Don't forget to click the bell so you'll get a notification when I upload a new video. Give me a little thumbs up if you liked the video. Feel free to share it with your friends and family on YouTube or Facebook or Twitter or wherever. It all helps. And I think that's it for today. So until I speak with you again, and even after that,